Really put the dolphin noise to use in this one. Nice parenting.
1, 2. Okay, enter. I'm in a match.
Yeah, he's probably hurtful.
Hey, man.
Wow. Oh, darn it, man. I can't freaking move.
Okay.
Man, it's just no, please. Wait, it's K-Wave. It's K-Wave, please. Please, it's K-Wave. It's K-Wave.
Chill, I'm a YouTuber. I'm actually a YouTuber though. I'm recording and I'm a YouTuber. No one is talking in this lobby. I'm going to it. I'm going into my private lobby. I'm going into my private lobby.
Where's Matt? Very much harmful. Don't eat him. As soon as I got him. Eat him. Oh, he ate my bar. Is that a pig? Holy. Give me that. You munch on my yacht? Munch on it. Munch on my yacht now. Huh? Whoa, hold on. You're missing the action right now. I haven't got. Oh wait. Oh God, that was tunnel my yacht. I'm gonna force feed you my yacht. Tunnel, bro. Add back OGK. You're munching on my yacht right now. You ate it all. You ate my. He ate my yacht all. He's a pervert. Shut up. Oh, hey, yo. 12. Just 12. You don't bad. What up? 2012 the year, but the 12 means my year, but. Holy monkey.
Hi guys, wanna play some crates?
The white monkey said. Holy. Oh, now we got holy.
Frick, you saw me.
Okay, we back.
Oh God. Oh my.
Game or something.
A gorilla tag game.
Yeah. Oh, just press this one here.
Infection.
Yeah, that's infection. That's potent. That's. Yeah.
I pressed it, yeah.
Okay, you know what?
And you see
And
what
then
I'm doing.
just go up and it should. Oh, you are just doing one time. Do that again. Do that again, friend. Do that again.
Wait, what does infection mean?
It's not blocking.
It means you got infection.
What's up, bro?
I'm going.
Oh, you know. It's monkey game. Yeah, I'm
People
new.
I'll remember your name. I'll take a screenshot of it.
19.
Screen.
Yeah, 'cause I'm
Actually,
19.
Don't
activate it! Don't activate it! What are you doing, dude? Don't! No, don't! Dude, seriously?
Yes, I put the
Stop! Stop activating it! Stop! No, this area is off limits. Area is off limits.
activating the volcano.
Area is off limits. No, area is off limits. This area is off limits.
What boss battle? No! Get off!
This area is
Get off
off
the game.
limits.
Get off the game.
No. I'm literally a YouTuber.
No, you're not.
I'm recording right now. I'm recording right now.
Chris, here's your challenge when we got one sub.
I'm serious. Oh, hello. Come and get me.
I'm activating the volcano. Don't activate it. You get on my. Get on my. Do it. Oh no!
Long arms. You got long arms.
It's Steam VR. You can do it.
Why are people trying to eat my cake, bro? See if you get.
Yeah. The volcano's gonna erupt soon.
Yeah, idiot. That's on the tree.
Look at my phone.
Here. Imagine.
Yes, it's erupting. It's gonna erupt.
You know I'm stuck in here, so why the f*** erupt? Yes. There's a lava.
Oh, damn, look at me.
Does anyone know how to lava run?
I can swim in lava.
I can kind of.
I do. Oh, it really hurt my arm.
Hey, bro.
You're using mods.
Hey, bro.
What? I can see you.
You're using mods. I'm not even got it recording. It's just cool.
Like that.
Watch this, watch this.
Yeah, he's using mods.
No, get me.
Also, I have to. If you want to do a YouTube video, come to stop.
I
Oh no.
I can see people for the shirts and now.
If you want to play shirts and come to stop.
But let's see what you.
Nobody on the server. I see that on the server.
What the heck?
Making a YouTube video.
The controllers.
Hey, bro. Bro, what the heck happened?
Who likes my unreleased?
Is your name Run? No, my name's not Run. Why would I name you Run?
No, but on your.
I want to be in a YouTube video.
This is
Alright,
unreleased.
come to stop. We need a lot of people. We're gonna play Sharks and Minnows. Sharks and Minnows!
Okay, well, what's the code?
Wait, how do you put this on? JAYNOSMT. I'll type it in with you. Or I'm not gonna type it because I already have it, but. JAYNOSMT.
Okay, sure.
NOS what?
In J. The J.
Or look, I'm gonna type it in with you. So J
Just watch my hand.
Look.
J. A. Oh, I accidentally put two A's. J A Y. Wait.
N.
What am I?
What is this orange? No, it's 1A. It's 1A.
J A Y.
NOSMD. Wait, G or G?
G as in go. G as in go. I'm that goat.
I'm a goated YouTuber. Goat.
Oh gosh, lag.
Alright, put it in. Ready? I'll come in with you in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey guys.
Get juked, bro.